coaching thought for the day. Today's coaching thought is both for coaches who are helping teachers as well as classroom teachers who could just use this suggestion. So sometimes I get asked by teachers to help engage students in conversation during class. There's a fun fact, piece of research. I can't name it for you off the top of my head, but research shows that if students will engage in any sort of talk in the first 10 minutes of class, any directed talk by the teacher for the first 10 minutes of class, they are tremendously more likely to engage in conversation and discussion during the class. They're more likely to talk during class. Not in the disruptive sense of talking, but engaging in discussions or things that you have planned. So what that means is if you can come up with something at the beginning of a lesson, at the beginning of class, within that first 10-minute window to get them talking, you're more likely to have better success in getting them to engage. So that can mean it can be a turn and talk, talking to a partner. It can be, just an open group discussion where they're sharing. Personally, I like a turn and talk because everybody has a partner and everybody has to answer. Also, another interesting piece of this is it does not have to be content related. So you can ask students to share their favorite ice cream or, what show they're currently binging on Netflix or that sort of thing. And that can be an appropriate tool and an appropriate strategy for getting students to engage in discussions in class. So try that out. Let me know what you think.